So my question is that what nutrition does the mind need to have a strong mindset or mind? Of course, we need to fuel it also.
Yes.
So just as you said earlier, that the people around us, what we listen, what we see, that is of course feeding the mind.
Correct.
But other than that, what supplements or what food actually helps the mind become stronger?
So one of the best nutrient that works amazing for brain is omega-3. So it is it's a kind of fatty acid which works very good for your brain, keeps it very active. It detoxifies your whole body, and overall it gives you an anti-inflammatory effect in the body. So basically, inflammation is a kind of infection. Now, if you have cold or cough or fever, so there is high stress levels in the body. Inflammation increase hota hai, infection increase hota hai. So with omega-3 fatty acids in your diet, all of these inflammatory markers will drop down. So as and when there is less stress, less inflammation, less infection in the body, the mind is going to work at its most optimum level. And I'm sure you have always compared the shape of the walnut with your brain.
Yes.
Yeah. So walnuts are richest in omega-3.
Right.
So it is a very easy reference to keep in mind that omega-3 fatty acids are very, very good for your brain. And abhi, I see a lot of people around me जो लोग alcohol, smoking, vaping, ये सब चीज़ों से बहुत addicted है. तो उसका effect body में reduce करना और उसका addiction reduce करना, उसके comparison में omega-3 fatty acids works wonders.
Okay, so like if I want to quit smoking, तो अगर मैं ओमेगा-3 रिच न्यूट्रिएंट्स खाना चालू कर दूं तो जब भी मैं अगर मैं क्विट करना चाहता हूं
तो वो इजी हो जाएगा
बिकॉज माइंड सिग्नल देगा.
एग्जैक्टली,
इट विल हेल्प यू.
एग्जैक्टली. आप जब भी कुछ भी क्विट करना चाहते हो, फॉर एग्जांपल आई रियली लव चॉकलेट एंड आई कैन नॉट बी विदाउट, पर अभी मैं इतना ज्यादा भी नहीं खा सकती, सो आई हैव टू कीप दैट थिंग इन दैट ब्रैकेट. सो इफ आई वांट टू क्विट चॉकलेट समडे, so then I start working on training my brain first कि मुझे ये नहीं करना है, first 21 days मुझे नहीं खाना है, I have to totally avoid it. Then I start supplementing my body in such a way कि ये cravings कम हो जाए. For example, for chocolate, magnesium, zinc and omega-3 works wonders.
Okay.
So जितना magnesium, zinc और omega-3 मेरे body में to the mark है, उतना easy मुझे हो जाएगा cravings को control करने के लिए, और मुझे cravings होंगे ही नहीं. So same thing with smoking. I have a lot of clients who might have these issues. तो मैं उनको यही recommend करती हूँ कि for example आपने दिन में 5 cigarette smoke किया. So now reduce your 5 cigarettes to 3 cigarettes and start supplementing with these nutrients and then see what is the exact effect of it. Then gradually from 3 to 2, 2 to 1, and then you can totally take it off your charts. So that's how there are certain supplements for each and every addictive thing that you can think of. Even for sugars, same thing for sugars. Zinc and potassium and folic acid works wonders when you are trying to quit sugars.